today unboxing my BoxyLuxe box, which I love Boxycharm. If you are not subscribed, I definitely suggest you do. This is the first month that I've done the BoxyLuxe. I've always done like the traditional $21 box, and I've never been disappointed. You always get your money's worth. I think they upped the regular box to like 24. If I got that wrong, just let me know. Yeah, if you would like to see what I got in my BoxyLuxe box, continue watching. Oh, and anything that's not in the box to do a full face of makeup, I'll be just adding in my own stuff. So to start with, this little towel I have on my head was in the box, and it's the Daily Hair Wrap Towel. $18. Would I spend $18 on that? No, but it's $18. So the next thing that I'm excited about that was in here is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And this is $39. It's anti-aging water cream, protects skins from free radicals, has amino acids and plant extracts, help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. And it looks like this. Saturday Skin. And everything in here is full size. And I love skincare when it's in the box. Now, my skin is like hella dry, so usually a water cream is not enough. So I'm just going to slather this on my face because my face is so dry right now. With it being winter. The only thing I don't like about the packaging is that you have to dip your fingers in. So if you're like paranoid about germs, you can get like a little spoon. Like they sell those little tiny spoons. It doesn't really have a smell, which is nice, especially with people with sensitivity to fragrance. Very gel-like, it feels nice. Alright, so the next thing we have in the box, which I will not be using, right now anyway, is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It says it's for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. So Fresh has really nice products, and this retails for $48. And it's for sensitive skin. It also soothes and tones. And I've never used this one, but I've heard really good things about this cleanser, so I'm kind of excited to use it. And I love facial cleansers. So this moisturizer feels good. It feels like it's not like sitting on the skin, like my skin absorbed it, because I hate lotion like that. And then it's kind of tacky. I don't know if you can it is kind of tacky, so that feels good. So the next one is this Greengrass Dry Oil Spray. And I've never heard of this brand. And the fragrance is Beach Air, inspired by Greece. And it has bergamot, citrus, white jasmine, Brazilian soft woods, heliotrope, and musk. And it's a multi-use oil for body, face, and hair. I feel hydrated. So the next thing in here, I'll do all the like skincare, hair care things first. This is the QMS Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. So formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so I was so interrupted by my son, who picked up my puppy to go to bed. So this one is the QMS Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum, and this is lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. So Let's try this, because if you can see how crusty my lips are, they're disgusting. So let's see. I don't know if this is like, it feels like a lotion, but it doesn't. It has a weird smell to it. I don't know how to describe it. It feels like a lotion though. It doesn't feel like lip balmy or that. Oh my gosh, that retails for $200. Even if that worked really well, I will never buy that for $200. So, IGK, which is a really nice brand, and this is First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Deep cleanse, level detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing. And I'm just not like a big dry shampoo user because my scalp is so dry. My hair is so dry, so I don't feel like my hair ever gets oily and I need a dry shampoo. But for someone in your life that uses dry shampoo, that would be nice to get them. So that's what's good about BoxyLuxe, and even bought the regular Boxycharm, is you get makeup in it, yes, but you also get skincare. So if you love skincare and makeup, like this is perfect. Or if you want to give somebody this as a gift, like this would be an awesome gift to give someone for like a year or even a few months, is the Ciate London Confetti highlighter. And this is Warm Glow highlighter. And what is the color? Well, I guess it's just confetti. Let's see on the back. Yeah, confetti is the shade name. Ooh, that's pretty. The packaging's really nice, really pretty. I mean, it would get really dirty really easy. And then you open it and you have a nice little mirror. And that's how it looks. That's pretty. It's kind of hard to see with the lights. That's really pretty. Like I said, that wouldn't be a highlighter for me. Might work for my daughter because she has darker skin. Metallic. Liquid Metallic Matte Lipstick. I don't know how much I will like this because I'm not a big fan of metallic. Ooh, the shade is pretty though. And it's called You Better Work. And it looks like this. It's a pretty color though. Let's see what it looks like. And this one is $21. It smells good too. It smells sweet, like a cupcake. I don't know, that doesn't really look very metallic. I actually like that. It's pretty. The Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And this is really pretty. It has a big mirror on the side. And then the shades are really pretty. A lot of them are cool tone. And then you have some really pretty shimmers. Times. So this retails for $55. And I can't say that like that's a color story that I would buy, but it's pretty. And what I don't have, I'll just add in. So I'm going to start off with this Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream in number 27. And if you're looking for a BB cream, it's really nice. It's $15 and you can get it on Amazon. And it's light to medium coverage, like you can still see my freckles. I feel like it just kind of like evens out your skin tone. Doesn't do much in the way of like covering everything up. But it's nice if like you're just going to work. It does have a smell to it. It's like a clean smell. And it's kind of nice. And it also has skincare in it, so let me get another pump for my tan head. If you have dry skin, it feels good. And it looks good. It doesn't like look dry and crusty and cakey. And then I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind. I don't put a lot, just a little. So I use the shade medium because it's like close to my skin tone. Take my little beauty blender. Okay, and I'm back with my Briar. I use this Kylie powder. It is the soft pink, so I do have some pink undertones in my skin. Jaclyn Hill Mood Light and the shade Carrots, and I just use that, put a little bit on the cap. And I just use a tiny bit of this, and this is the one that's more like a setting powder, but it kind of like illuminates too. Kind of gives you that lit with within glow. This Storybook Cosmetics palette, and I think I'm gonna dip into, let me get my eye brushes out. Woodland, which is this shade. Looks like a nice transition shade. I'll try this pinker shade called Spindle. It's kind of like a mauvey pink color. Let's see if that's better. Oh, that's better. I can see that a little bit. I'm just going to try to deepen it a little with this color Grim. And I'm going to put that a little lower in my crease. Let's see how that does. It's not super patchy, but I don't know if you can kind of see it. It's a little patchy. It's not like the best eyeshadow I've used. And see, this is a good thing about BoxyLuxe. Like, they give you cute stuff, don't get me wrong. But like, even if like you're not thrilled about something, you still feel like you got your money's worth. Like, I feel like I got my money's worth with the skincare. And then for the lid shade, I'm going to go in with the Ciate highlighter that we got in the box. And just pat that on and see how it looks. Oh, that's pretty. I'm not going to be precise, obviously. I'm just like slathering it on, but let's see what it looks like on my skin just for shits and giggles. I'm going to take this Luxie 516 Duo Fiber brush. I feel like it'll just be a hair too dark. And it's like not, yeah, that's too dark. Too Faced shade that we got in the box. And use her as an eyeliner. Because I like to do that with matte shades. And then, since she's like a little metallic, and she kind of goes with the vibe of the eyeshadows. See what she does. Matte liquid lipsticks. You can use them as like an eyeliner. Play when you're older, like me, and you don't want to use like a stark black and have people like see every little line in your eyelid. It kind of is nice. And it looks like I'm not even using lip liner. Too pretty. Darker than it looks in the bottle. See how like you see like the lines really bad? Like this month's box, the value was over $475. I think it was $476 when I added it up. Which is you're only paying $50, so you're definitely making your money's worth. The Storybook Cosmetics palette, I mean, it's cute. You definitely see the shadows. They're a little patchy. Not the easiest I've used to blend. The Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, like, I'll have to get back to you about that one. I mean, my skin feels really hydrated. It doesn't feel dry. It doesn't look dry. And usually, I mean, my skin was hella dry to begin with. And then if you put makeup on top of it, it usually looks horrible. So my skin doesn't look like dry and crepey or anything. So that gives me a little hope, even though I added the oil into that also, which I really like this oil. It smells really good. It doesn't have like a abrasive smell to it. It's a really pretty smell. And I like multi-purpose things, so you can use it in your hair, on your skin, and on your face. So, and then, I don't know, the Ciate Confetti highlighter, she's okay. Like, she looks pretty on my lids, but when I'm looking in the mirror, it definitely kind of like clings to my texture, and I don't really like highlights that do that. She's pretty though. I mean, she's a little bit dark for my skin tone too for a highlighter. So the Fresh Soy facial cleanser, I'm excited about that one. Like, I'm gonna wash my face after and use that, and I'll let you know how that goes too. The Too Faced matte metallic lip, I mean, it's not a color I usually go for, but it does look cute on my eyes as an eyeliner, so I would definitely use that again as an eyeliner, and I do that a lot, especially for colors that I know I'm not going to like use all the time and that really aren't my colors. Every box has a theme, and this month's box is whimsy, so yeah, I think it's a cute box. I definitely think it's worth the value. Out of everything, I would say, like, all the skincare stuff I'm most excited about, just because I love skincare and I already have a lot of makeup and wasn't truthfully that impressed with the makeup aspect of it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.